2017 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, cruise control, trip computer, electronic stability control, compass, day-night rear-view mirror, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.